Hey guys, how's it going? Just want to make a quick video here for you. So I made one last night, but I was so tired after watching it, I couldn't even understand myself. So yeah, I get up in the morning and make a fresh one. I wanted to show you how I got everything running. On the other side of this wall is going to be another room exactly this size with another 4,000 watts of light. And so on the other side there's an MLC 8X, and that's a hole that the power cord's going through to run 240 to those two ballasts. It'll eventually all be digital. I just got the other room up and running with the other digital ballast, so I'm just going to run two digitals and two magnetics for now. Under these two there'll be Hortilux bulbs with the digitals, and then under these will just be a couple of $60 bulbs or whatever that can run on magnetics until I can get everything switched, but it won't make that much of a difference because I'm only really vegging under this. The other one will be done before veg. But anyhow, this is how it's set up. Two fans here running through the hoods there, and how it will eventually look is there'll be two of these. These are equivalent to the Raptors, they're just called King Cobras. And there'll be two of these, and then one of these Blockbusters will actually go in this spot right here. So it'll be 6,000 watts on this side. The other thing, this is the Aeroflow unit here. Well, tube, there's one tube up against the wall. This isn't exactly where it's sitting, it'll be completely different. But this is just, so is what it'll look like is 6,000 watts after this grow. And then there'll be two of these units in here so that I can do side-by-side nutrient challenges. Whatever I want to do, I really like Connoisseur. It gives me the weight, gives me the quality, and it gives me what I need. I really like it. But for now, this is just going to have a 30 in it. And then over here, what I have running for power until about Tuesday is just a little box with a Romex cable with a 15 amp plug-in on it, and it's behind me is the house about 25 feet away, and it's just plugged into an outlet that's connected to the house, and that's just going to be running my temperature controllers, fans, pumps, and I wanted to show you, here's a water chiller that'll be running too. But for you guys that don't really understand how a Aeroflow works, this is pretty much it. The tubes right here go into these holes for the water to drain, and then is what it looks like is inside of here is a pump. And that pump pumps up the nutrients, and in here I have a float valve which will have my external reservoir hooked up to it. So from that pump it pumps up into this manifold. That manifold is connected to here. This will all be screwed together. And then inside of here are spray lines. You can see right there. It runs all the way down the inside of this tube right here. And there's little holes in between each one of these. And so what it does is it sprays the water out from that line, and then it shoots it across, and when it hits this sidewall right here, it sprays out and mists over the root system that has the 3-inch net cups that is holding the plants, and then it drains back down straight into the reservoir, and then back up, and it just circulates. And that's how the Aeroflow works. It's really good. I mean, 3-inch net cups pulling 4.5, 5 ounces of plant. Plants are 7 feet tall. I mean, this system is pretty awesome. You're talking 2 weeks veg time, 6-week flower time depending on your strain. I've never had bad results coming out of a system like this ever. It's really nice. I am going to, because I have the extra space in here, I'm actually going to be running some cocoa. I think I might be doing 7 plants in cocoa, green cracks, and I want to see, because I would really like to have a buffer between the roots and the soil. In this system it's just wide open, you know, to all the elements. When a problem happens, it happens quick, and if you don't fix it quick, you can lose your crop. At least you can lose the quality of your crop. So you just got to be really careful. That kind of means that if you got a family, just hope that they're supportive, because you ain't going nowhere if you're running one of these systems. Man, I need a vacation. But anyhow, oh, here's how my hanging system works. It's not exactly the way I want it, but here's the rope that holds everything, the hooks, and it goes up to a pulley system. This is just the way it is. I really want a pipe running through here that connects everything all together, and both these pulleys should be connected, but it's just the way it is. And I forgot to hook up my ducting. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to get to that because the hoods are so close together, but I'll figure it out. But that's pretty much it. So hope you guys enjoyed the grow that's going to happen out here, and see you soon.